Welcome to Sugosha Media News. Here are the top defense, aerospace, and strategic technology developments from India and around the world. India's defense industry recorded major milestones as Aerolloy secured an Airbus contract for A320, A330, and A350 components. Swan Defence won a 251 to 750 crore rupees Svitzer tug contract, and Hindustan Shipyard achieved the early undocking of 3 vessels. Bharat Electronics unveiled the SHARUR remote-controlled weapon station for the Navy. Hindustan Aeronautics developed an indigenous FADEC for the HTSE-1200 engine and achieved 99.5% core speed in HTFE-25 turbofan testing. Redon Systems successfully trialed the Achuk-350 loitering munition in Ladakh. Sisir Radar demonstrated an indigenous spaceborne unfurlable antenna, and IG Defence expanded into the Gulf market with its Carl loitering munitions. VTDS partnered with Czech firm Deus Automation to boost small caliber ammunition production. Lohia Aerospace announced India's first large format 3D composite tooling facility, and Pune-based Techera Engineering secured a precision tooling order for Indian Air Force Rafale fleet sustainment. The news in detail. Airbus has selected Aerolloy Technologies, a wholly owned subsidiary of PTC Industries, for the development, qualification, and supply of titanium castings for its A320neo, A330neo, and A350 aircraft programs. The agreement establishes the development, qualification, and industrialization pathway for Aerolloy to progress into production supply, subject to the successful completion of Airbus's qualification and program requirements. Under the agreement, Aerolloy will manufacture titanium castings through its integrated production route, beginning with titanium material produced by the company and continuing through precision casting, machining, inspection, and delivery in a fully machined, ready-to-fit condition. Swan Defence and Heavy Industries has secured a major export order valued between 251 to 751 crore rupees from Denmark-based stowage operator Svitzer AS. The contract involves the construction of 4 advanced transverse 3,200 tugs with delivery scheduled to commence in early 2028. The vessels will be built to Bureau Veritas class standards at SDHI's Pipavav shipyard in Gujarat, which is one of India's largest shipbuilding facilities. This marks HDHI's 4th consecutive export contract, underscoring its growing reputation in the international maritime sector. The Transverse 3,200 tug design was co-developed by naval architects Robert Allan Limited and Svitzer. It is tailored for complex harbor towage and escort operations. The design integrates a hydrodynamic hull with omnidirectional propulsion, delivering an 80-ton bollard pull. This capability enables the tugs to guide large vessels safely through severe weather conditions and restricted port channels. Copenhagen headquartered Svitzer operates a global fleet of more than 500 vessels. The new tugs form part of its broader fleet renewal program aimed at deploying next-generation high-efficiency vessels across its port and terminal operations worldwide. Hindustan Shipyards Limited has achieved a milestone in its ship repair complex at Visakhapatnam by successfully undocking 3 vessels 7 days ahead of schedule. The operation involved 2 naval platforms and 1 Coast Guard vessel, underscoring the shipyard's growing efficiency in handling multiple complex repair projects simultaneously. In addition to these undocking operations, afloat repairs of the great ship Prachi were completed within the scheduled timelines. IG Defence has announced that it is in advanced discussions with countries in the Gulf for the possible export of its Kal drone, a Shahed-class long-range one-way attack system. The Kal belongs to the emerging class of Shahed-136 type long-range one-way attack drones. This category has transformed contemporary warfare by combining extended range, precision strike capability, operational simplicity, and affordability. With an operational range of up to 1,000 kilometers, endurance of 7 to 8 hours, and the ability to carry a 50-kilogram payload, the Kal is positioned as a cost-effective solution for modern strike operations. Bharat Electronics has unveiled the RCWS SHARUR, a cutting-edge remote-controlled weapon station designed for naval deployment. It combines heavy firepower, advanced optics, and missile integration to strengthen the Indian Navy's combat readiness. The RCWS SHARUR is a remote-controlled weapon station engineered for installation on Indian warships. Developed by Bharat Electronics in Bangalore, it represents a significant leap in indigenous naval technology. The system is designed to provide enhanced firepower, versatility, and protection against multiple threats in maritime environments. The primary weapon fitted on the RCWS SHARUR is a 12.7 mm heavy machine gun, which can be swapped with a 40 mm automatic grenade launcher depending on mission requirements. This flexibility allows the system to adapt to both anti-personnel and anti-material roles. On either side of the station, two man-portable anti-tank guided missiles are mounted, giving the platform strong anti-armor capabilities. The RCWS SHARUR is equipped with an advanced electro-optical suite that includes a day-night camera, a laser rangefinder, and infrared thermal imager. These sensors ensure accurate target acquisition and engagement in all weather conditions, day or night. The system also features automatic target tracking, enabling it to lock onto and follow moving threats with precision. One of the key strengths of the RCWS SHARUR is its 360-degree rotational capability, allowing it to engage targets from any direction. Operators can control the system remotely from the ship's control room, ensuring safety and reducing exposure to hostile fire. The effective range of the system extends up to 2,000 meters, making it suitable for engaging both sea-based and aerial threats. Further upgrades are planned to integrate the naval anti-drone system, which will enhance its ability to counter unmanned aerial vehicles. Hindustan Aeronautics has initiated the development of an indigenous full-authority digital engine control system for its 1,200 kilowatt class Hindustan turboshaft engine, a move that will secure critical intellectual property and eliminate dependence on foreign suppliers. The HTSE-1200 has been designed by the Aero Engine Research and Design Center in Bangalore. It generates 1,200 kilowatts of power at sea level and is tailored for helicopters in the 3.5 metric ton category with single engine configurations, as well as those in the 5 to 8 metric ton category with twin engine configurations. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of military and civil rotorcraft platforms. The FADEC system represents a technological leap by replacing traditional hydrochemical controls with a digital computer. This allows precision optimization of fuel flow and engine performance, ensuring greater efficiency and reliability. By automating critical functions, the system reduces pilot workload and enhances safety, particularly in demanding operational environments such as high-altitude missions. Hindustan Aeronautics has achieved a significant milestone in the development of its indigenous HTFE-25 turbofan engine. The engine has successfully reached 99.5% core speed during testing. The HTFE-25 is a 25 kilonewton thrust class turbofan designed to power basic and advanced military trainer aircraft, business jets, and large unmanned aerial vehicles. Hindustan Aeronautics has already built two core engines and one complete engine, all of which are undergoing extensive testing. The engine is expected to power single-engine aircraft in the 5-ton category, and twin-engine aircraft up to 9 tons. This capability will provide India with a versatile propulsion solution for a wide range of platforms, reducing dependence on imported engines and strengthening indigenous aviation technology. Hyderabad-based Redon Systems has successfully conducted high-altitude trials of its Achuk-350 loitering munitions in Ladakh, demonstrating indigenous capability to operate in extreme conditions above 4,500 meters. The Achuk-350 loitering munition is a barrel-launched fixed-wing drone designed for a precision strike against high-value targets. It is equipped with electric propulsion, folding wings, and modular payload options, making it versatile for different mission profiles. The system supports both high explosive and high explosive anti-tank warheads, enabling it to engage personnel, armored vehicles, bunkers, and fuel or ammunition depots. Trials were conducted in Ladakh under the supervision of the Army's Northern Command. The munition was tested at altitudes ranging from 3,500 and 4,600 meters, with successful flights even above 17,500 feet in high wind velocity conditions. Operating in such thin air and extreme temperatures from -30 to +50 degrees Celsius highlights the robustness of its design. The endurance of the Achuk-350 exceeds 50 minutes with a strike radius of up to 30 kilometers, offering commanders extended surveillance and strike capability in contested zones. The munition cruises at speeds of around 100 kilometers per hour, balancing endurance with rapid engagement. Its AI-driven optical homing system allows autonomous or semi-autonomous targeting, identifying vehicles, fortified positions, and terrorist hideouts. This adaptability ensures effectiveness in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. The Achuk-350 is compatible with Redon's Bishan multi-barrel munition launcher system, India's first indigenous vehicle-mounted launcher. Mounted on a Stallion platform, the launcher can deploy up to 18 loitering munitions in 2 minutes with a 4-second interval between launches. This enables swarm tactics, overwhelming enemy defenses, and creating saturation strike effects. The system becomes operational within 15 minutes, ensuring rapid battlefield integration. Sisir Radar has achieved a significant breakthrough in the development of a miniaturized spaceborne synthetic aperture radar system operating in the X-band. The team has successfully built a design verification model featuring an unfurlable antenna, a technology that is both complex and critical for space applications. The engineers have demonstrated the first version of a 2-meter diameter unfurlable antenna structure. The demonstration included both stored and deployed configurations, showcasing the reliability of the design. The structural members of the antenna have been realized using carbon fiber reinforced polymer, a material chosen for its strength, lightweight properties, and resilience in the harsh conditions of space. The most challenging aspect of the project was the design and manufacture of the links that enable the antenna to unfurl smoothly and lock into place. The links have been realized through a combination of 3D printed parts and precision machined elements, ensuring both innovation and robustness in the final product. By successfully building this unfurlable antenna reflector structure from scratch, Sisir Radar has become only the third group in the country to achieve this feat, following ISRO and DRDO. Indian defense company Vijay Trishul Defence Systems has announced a strategic technology partnership with Czech firm Deus Automation to collaborate in the small caliber ammunition sector. The agreement marks one of the first major technology transfer collaborations between India and the Czech Republic in this domain. Deus Automation AS, part of the STV group of the Czech Republic, will provide advanced manufacturing technology for the production of small caliber ammunition in India. Loitering Aerospace Systems has announced plans to invest between $8 to $10 million for the next 2 years to establish India's first commercial large format additive manufacturing facility dedicated to aerospace composite tooling. The aerospace manufacturer signed a memorandum of understanding with Israel's Massivit to introduce the Rapid Wings large format additive manufacturing technology to India. The new facility will be located at Lohia's Kanpur plant and will begin with an expansion of 250,000 square feet alongside its existing manufacturing unit. The Rapid Wings technology enables aerospace molds and production tools to be manufactured in days instead of weeks. This innovation can reduce manufacturing cycles by up to 90% and cut tooling costs by as much as 50%. Lohia plans to deploy 8 to 10 large format additive manufacturing systems over time, with each system capable of producing 1 or 2 tooling sets per day. Pune MSME Techera Engineering has achieved a strategic breakthrough by entering the Indian Air Force's Rafale supply chain through an order for specialized deburring tools. In aerospace engineering, deburring is a mission-critical process that removes microscopic imperfections from machined parts to prevent stress concentration and fatigue failure. Strategically, this marks the maturation of India's precision engineering. MSMEs proving their ability to meet the stringent tolerances required for 4.5 generation combat aircraft. By localizing such high-end maintenance gear, India is de-risking the Rafale MRO cycle and reducing dependency on foreign proprietary tools for its frontline strike fleet. Now, a quick wrap of the news. India strengthened its defense manufacturing ecosystem as Aerolloy secured an Airbus components contract. Swan Defence won a 251 to 750 crore Svitzer tug order. HSL enhanced maritime repair capabilities. Bharat Electronics unveiled the SHARUR weapon station. Hindustan Aeronautics achieved twin propulsion milestones with the HTSE-1200 FADEC and HTFE-25 engine. Redon Systems validated the Achuk-350 in Ladakh. Sisir Radar demonstrated a spaceborne antenna breakthrough. IG Defence expanded into the Gulf. VTDS partnered with Dew's Automation for ammunition production. Lohia Aerospace announced India's first large format 3D composite tooling facility, and Techera Engineering secured a precision tooling order for Rafale fleet sustainment. At Sugosha Media, we turn complex defense and aerospace developments into clear, actionable insights. From interpreting defense policies and facilitating market entry to navigating offsets and strategic partnerships, we help organizations transform strategy into execution within India's evolving aerospace and defense ecosystem. Follow Sugosha Advisory on LinkedIn to stay informed with the latest insights and become part of the conversations driving India's defense and strategic landscape. Our focus is simple: to bridge policy, technology, and business, enabling organizations to convert regulatory knowledge into sustainable growth and long-term opportunities. We look forward to partnering with you in shaping the next chapter of India's defense and aerospace ecosystem. Thank you.